So, time for Crypto Showdown. This is a new segment where we get two coins and we put them head to head and we see which coins the community, you, our audience, decides. So, today's Crypto Showdown. Which coin do you think has a better, more promising future? Chainlink or VeChain? Let us know what you think. Go to menti.com, menti.com, and put in the code 213595. That's 213595. Let us know what coin you think has a future. Also, be sure to post down your comments below which coin you think has a better future, whether it's Chainlink or VeChain. So, in my opinion, if I had to choose, obviously this is just purely subjective. Actually, you know what? Let me pull up the ratings we have here on both coins. I think that's probably a better, more objective approach. So let's pull up Chainlink. So this is going to tokenmetrics.com. If you haven't signed up, definitely do join. So Chainlink is a very well balanced coin, right? It has decent fundamentals, decent technology, but as you see right now, the TA is very, very bullish on Chainlink. So I mean, it's definitely worth having on your watch list. Or I mean, if you're a trader, it probably makes sense to be trading Chainlink right now, because if we go to the TA is very, very bullish on Chainlink. Now, if we go to the price prediction models, now please note the models for the price prediction versus the models for the TA and everything else are different. But wow, look at this. I mean, so the price prediction models, which are one of our most popular elements of Token Metrics, it's been pretty consistently close with the actual trend of Chainlink. I mean, this is the power of AI, because the red line is the actual price and the dotted line is our prediction. And if you look at this, I mean, it's almost like they're brothers and sisters. It's almost like they're actually identical twins in a way, right? And our models are predicting Chainlink could be going as high as $8.20 before making a correction towards first week of August, right? So now this is purely one data point. This should not be the only thing you use to trade, right? This should be factored in with all the other data points you have. So we have price predictions for Chainlink being very, very bullish. Then we have the TA for Chainlink also being very bullish. And we have a decent, an okay grade, right? So, I mean, if you're in Chainlink, things are looking very, very good. Then we have VeChain. Let's pull up VeChain at the moment. VeChain is also very popular with the crypto community. So looking at this, so fundamentals on VeChain are good. Technology, in our opinion, could be better, and TA is not quite as high as Chainlink. So if we go to the technical analysis, right now it's neutral on VeChain. And if we go to the price prediction on VeChain, okay, price prediction on VeChain has also been pretty consistent. So, I mean, so looking at this, so the predicted price versus the actual price has been pretty good. So it has, our models have VeChain going all the way till about 18 cents before going down. So based on Token Metrics, based on our models, essentially short term, at least that is, Chainlink has the better future. But Bill, I'm curious to hear your takes from just looking at the charts as opposed to the models.
Okay. So on the Chainlink chart, as we talked about, I definitely see the idea of the bigger the base, the higher in the space, right? So what can I add to that? And this is something I haven't done before, but sometimes I just like to eyeball the coin market cap rankings and just think about it for a second. So let's start with Binance coin number 9. Okay. So we're in alt season and Binance coin is only at number 9. Okay. Binance coin could get hot if alts get hot. So Binance coin feels like it's too far down in the rankings. Now, if you go down below that, there's Chainlink, okay, at a market cap of 2 billion.
Incredible.
Now, what do you think the market would look like if Binance Coin and Chainlink, okay, had a market cap bigger than Bitcoin Cash, right? Like what happens if it was like basically Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Chainlink, and Cardano at the top? This is like college football, right? Like,
Yeah.
you know, are the SEC teams going to jump up all at once, right? Or is it going to be the Big Ten? So when I look at Chainlink on the market cap charts, I look at the ability of the things above Chainlink to move up, like Cardano and Binance Coin, Chainlink, and Cardano.
Okay, apologies. People are saying your volume is too low. I mean, it seems fine on my end. Maybe could people maybe turn up the volume? Anybody else having issues with Bill's volume? Because it's pretty high on my end.
So when I look at Chainlink,
yeah, volume seems fine. Okay, but okay.
All right. So
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Bill. Continue.
Can you hear me now?
I think that's actually worse.
That's worse.
Yeah. Just go back. Probably an issue in Zoom. So I think maybe if you can go to Zoom and just change just boost up the audio in Zoom and the audio settings. Okay, so as Bill does that, so.
All right, I'm back.
You back? Okay. All right, good.
Okay, so the summary is when you look at the market cap chart, it used to be that like Ethereum would lead. In this environment, that does not appear to be the case. So it's Chainlink, Cardano, Stellar, and Binance Coin, because I'm seeing that a lot on big crypto Twitter accounts. You know, Binance Coin used to be at 40. Okay. And I think this alt season is a lot bigger than the last one. And sometimes when people are afraid to buy it when it goes up, I totally understand that, believe me, because everyone's gotten wrecked in crypto. But sometimes moves don't end until there's no fear of buying when it's up. Equities is kind of a classic example, right? You just wake up every day, buy it. It's easy. You know, my dad's doing it. My grandma's doing it. I don't think we're there yet in at least these big cryptos. Some of this DeFi stuff, maybe. So my answer to your question about Chainlink is use your imagination. What happens if the market cap in Binance Coin, Chainlink, and Cardano doubles? What happens if the market cap chart or the, Token Metrics top 20 in a way reorders itself?
Yeah.
Something to think about.
Yeah. And then thoughts on VeChain?
Okay, so here's how I'm looking at VeChain. So I talked about it, and then it mooned, and that discussion turned out to be very popular. So
popular man.
so VeChain I'm looking at as the thing that got it all started, right? In other words, this alt season shifted when VeChain mooned. So I'm not going to tell you that something that's mooned can stop mooning. But what I am saying is it looks like VeChain was the start of something the way Compound was the start of something in DeFi. And VeChain started it, and Chainlink may finish it. So I'm not telling you to, if you want to take some money off the table in VeChain, well, that's fine. If you love it and you want to hold it, okay, that's fine too. Right? But it looks like if the world's going to change, it's going to be Chainlink.
Yeah, well said, Bill. So just to add some extra comments on Binance. So if we go to our value investor balanced annual portfolio, Binance is in there. And I also brought up Binance as well on the live stream earlier today with Dennis from TikTok, who has a big crypto audience on TikTok. I mean, Binance reached its all-time high during a bear market in crypto. So I'm very shocked that BNB coin is not moving at all during alt season, right? So if anything, it's very, very undervalued. And I think that's also why our portfolio has it. But I mean, not to toot our own horn, but quite frankly, I'm very surprised at how accurate and how close to the actual price movements our price prediction models have been to VeChain and Chainlink. I mean, because just looking at these lines, I mean, this is spooky. I mean, like, imagine trading off of this and being this right. I mean, actually, even here, like, our predictions were more conservative than the actual price, if anything, right? And then, as mentioned, if we go back to Chainlink price prediction, I mean, I think this is really why we have been preaching and really evangelizing AI, because AI can really give you that edge. So let me go back to price predictions over here, right? Because with Chainlink, I mean, look at this, and because once again, this is not the only tool, right? Obviously, it is risky. Price predictions are risky. They don't factor in fundamentals, technology, anything like that. But in terms of trying to know where a trend is going, having some form of guidance that's pretty accurate, I mean, insanely accurate, I think really gives you an edge and makes you a smarter investor or trader, right? And now, especially that we have the indices, and because people have been telling us, Ian, we're tired of having to go to the ratings page and go through manually look at the price predictions for every single coin to find out which ones will do well. Well, we've listened to you, and the indices solve that, because now if you just go here and just go to trader, go to monthly price prediction, submit, we give you the list automatically. We give you the list of the best coins based on the AI that are most likely to perform well this month. And that's been the best performing index so far, right? So definitely very excited for that. All right, now back to the survey, back to Crypto Showdown. Okay, so our audience has voted. The winner, I mean, drum rolls, please. Not really a surprise. Chainlink. Chainlink is the winner versus VeChain. Now, do you think our audience is correct? Do you think our audience is wrong? Please tell us down in the comments below. But either way, if you're holding either of these this year, I mean, you've definitely made money already. So pat yourself on the back. I mean, a win is a win, as we say in crypto. Nobody ever got fired for taking profits. Lock in those profits. And yeah, so tell us what you think down in the comments below.